Welcome back to AR 3D modeling. This is our 6th video in the SolidWorks Basics for Beginners series. Today, we'll be diving into adding holes and fillets to your models. Hi everyone! In this video, we'll explore how to create holes using the Hole Wizard tool and how to add fillets and chamfers to your models. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the Hole Wizard tool. This powerful feature in SolidWorks allows you to create a variety of hole types quickly and accurately, from simple drilled holes to complex countersunk or counterbore holes. The Hole Wizard has got you covered. To use the Hole Wizard, go to the Features tab and click on Hole Wizard. You'll see a panel on the right where you can select the type of hole you want. For this example, let's choose a simple drilled hole. Select the drilled hole option, specify the size and depth, and then click on the surface where you want to place the hole. You can adjust the position using dimensions to ensure it's perfectly placed. Now that we've added a hole, let's move on to fillets and chamfers. These features are essential for creating smooth transitions and eliminating sharp edges on your models. To add a fillet, go to the Features tab and click on Fillet. In the Fillet Property Manager, you can set the radius and select the edges you want to round off. For instance, let's add a fillet with a radius of 5 mm to this edge. Select the edge, input the radius, and click OK. You'll see the edge is now smoothly rounded. Similarly, for chamfers, go to the Features tab and click on Chamfer. Set the distance and angle, then select the edges to apply the chamfer. It's that simple, and there you have it. Adding holes, fillets, and chamfers to your models in SolidWorks is easy once you know where to find these tools and how to use them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next episode of SolidWorks Basics for Beginners, only on AR 3D modeling. Happy modeling!